The Smith machine high pull is a multi-joint movement that primarily targets the shoulders, legs, calves, traps, and upper back muscles. If you have access to a free weight barbell, I prefer to use it for the high pull since the Smith machine limits the range of motion and natural movement patterns, thus potentially reducing the overall effectiveness of the exercise. However, the Smith machine is an option if you don't have access to a barbell. Here's how to do it correctly. While standing with a shoulder width stance, grip the barbell with an overhand grip and hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart with your arms fully extended. Bend your knees and hinge at the hips to lower the bar down towards the floor while keeping your back straight and chest up. Push through your legs and engage your core as you pull the barbell upward. Lead with your elbows, keeping them higher than your hands throughout the movement. Pull the barbell up, aiming to get it close to your chest or until your upper arms are close to parallel to the floor, with your elbows pointed out to the sides as you rise up onto your toes. Ensure your shoulders are not shrugging up towards your ears. Under control, slowly lower the barbell back towards the floor. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.